If we want to create a brand new workbook, we can simply press Ctrl and N for new. We'll have a workbook with a name, book 1, in my case book 4. But there is another great way to start a workbook. If we need especially a quick starting template, we can go to File tab and click New. So here we have so many choices. We have so many choices to select to start our new workbook. We can select the category also. We can search from the internet if you don't get a fit. So let's select one of it and see it in action. Let me choose this project budget, campaign budget. So, and we can modify as we need. Now that's great template. So we can use a bunch of template to fit for our needs.